Fourth question, vectors. A car makes a displacement of 100 meters towards east and then 200 meters towards north. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant. Here the solution is, this is the starting point. A car travels 100 meters towards east. Then it travels towards north of 200 meters. Right? So this is the initial point, this is the final point. So this will be the resultant. Okay, so it's a right angle triangle, right? So resultant will be according to Pythagoras theorem, r square is equals to 200 square plus 100 square. So r is equals to root over plus 10,000. So r is equals to, root over 50,000. It's approximately equal to 223.7 meters. And direction, here the angle is theta. So tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. So 200 by 100. So theta is equals to tan inverse 2. Here the direction is, we are moving towards east, then towards north. So it is, the direction is north of east. The direction is north of east. Thank you.